Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, September 2nd. Well, today will likely turn out to be the hottest day of the week with high temperatures at or above 90 degrees this afternoon in the I-95 corridor between D.C., Philly, and New York City. It'll be quite humid today as well, but a cool front is approaching the region. That front will pass through tonight, causing some scattered showers and thunderstorms early this evening. And once that front pushes off the East Coast late tonight, it'll usher in a noticeably less humid air mass, a drier air mass for Wednesday and Thursday. It'll stay rather warm on Wednesday and Thursday with high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for the most part, but again, a noticeable drop in humidity levels compared to today for Wednesday and Thursday. Let's take a look at the latest surface map, and here's that cool frontal system right now. It is causing some showers and thunderstorms out across the Ohio Valley, especially heavy area of showers and thunderstorms out in the middle part of the country. We'll monitor this area out here over the Ohio Valley. It'll tend to weaken somewhat as it pushes to the east, but nonetheless, there certainly can be some shower and thunderstorm activity in the region late in the afternoon, especially during the early evening hours. High pressure that protected us early in this holiday weekend pushed off the East Coast by the middle and latter part of the weekend, and that ushered in a southwesterly flow of increasingly warm and humid air during the latter stages of the weekend, and it peaks today with high temperatures at or above 90 degrees this afternoon and very humid conditions. But again, relief is on the way as another decent air mass for this time of the year pushes into the mid-Atlantic region for Wednesday and Thursday. Well, here's a current look at the nationwide infrared imagery loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. First of all, way down here in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, this area, which we talked about last week, favorable area for tropical storm development for the foreseeable future. Indeed, this has become Tropical Storm Dolly. Sustained winds right now 50 miles per hour. It looks like it'll continue on a west to northwest track right into Mexico. It'll probably not reach hurricane status before it moves inland over the next 24 to 48 hours or so. Meanwhile, here in the northeast, mostly sunny skies this morning. There certainly will be an increase in clouds this afternoon ahead of the cool front. That cool front right now is producing all these deep clouds here all the way out into the middle part of the country. Some heavy showers and strong thunderstorms out in the center part of the nation, and there's a band of showers and storms out across the Ohio Valley. That's the area we'll watch over the next 6 hours or so, because it should reach the I-95 corridor at the end of the day, more likely early tonight. Here's, in fact, the latest radar loop, and way in the western edge we can see some of these showers and isolated thunderstorms moving across Ohio. That pattern continues south and west of there into the middle part of the country. This is the area of precipitation we'll watch for the I-95 corridor as it treks across the state during the latter part of the morning and certainly the early to mid-afternoon. Again, can be a shower or thunderstorm anywhere from D.C. to Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City late today. More likely early tonight. Again, the most likely time frame would be about 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. as that cool front pushes into the I-95 corridor. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps using last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. We'll look at 12-hour increments beginning with this evening, Tuesday evening, and continuing into Thursday morning. By this evening, that cool front will be not far from the East Coast, and again, there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms reaching the I-95 corridor late in the afternoon, more likely early tonight. Doesn't look like a widespread heavy rain event, but we'll monitor that over the next 6 hours or so as that cool front pushes in. Lots of dry conditions out here over the northern plains and the western Ohio Valley, the upper part of the Midwest later on today, and that drier air pushes in to the east, the northeast part of the country for Wednesday and Thursday. A noticeable drop in humidity levels. Let's check the Wednesday morning forecast map. And here it is by tomorrow morning. That frontal system moves just off the mid-Atlantic coastline. It kind of slows down in its push to the south and east once it reaches the southeastern part of Virginia. And that could pose a little bit of a problem along around Thursday afternoon or so in the D.C. metro region with a possible shower or thunderstorm. For the most part, there's enough push behind this front to clear us out for Wednesday and most of Thursday in the I-95 corridor between D.C. and New York City. And again, it'll remain warm, not as hot as today, but quite warm on Wednesday and Thursday with high temperatures, probably generally in the mid to upper 80s, but a noticeable drop in humidity levels compared to what we'll experience throughout the day today on Tuesday. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow evening, Wednesday evening. That frontal system kind of weakens and dissipates here, but notice a little bit of precipitation late in the day tomorrow, early tomorrow night across southeastern Virginia. Still in the clear here from D.C. to New York City. Again, enough of a push to the south and east for us to have generally nice conditions on Wednesday and for the most part on Thursday. But let's now jump ahead to the Thursday morning forecast map. And here it is. By Thursday morning, notice GFS puts out a little bit of precipitation right around the D.C. metro region. Excuse me, the end result, we cannot rule out a possible shower or thunderstorm on Thursday in the D.C. metro region, but for the most part, much better conditions on Wednesday and Thursday in the I-95 corridor, following a quite hot and humid day here on Tuesday up and down the I-95 corridor. Beyond that, the heat and humidity build up again for Friday. Another cool front approaches the area for Saturday, raising the chance for showers and thunderstorms anytime from Friday night, Saturday into Saturday night. And then behind that, looks like much cooler conditions reaching the I-95 corridor for Sunday and Monday, the early part of next week. So probably the hottest day of the week today on Tuesday. That's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.